Hey Beckinfield, Alexa Murray here. I'm down here at Hidden Star Lake, or should I say Hidden Star construction site. And it is definitely Rose Banter who's giving the orders to the paranormal investigators. She's definitely the supervisor down here. Oh yeah, and that's nice. And the chair she's sitting in is my lounge chair from the swim club. Yeah. You'd think she would have gotten the memo that stealing is against the law, especially with her dad, Chief Banter of the police department. I mean, what happened there? Oh yeah, and there's my pool skimmer. They're skimming stuff out of the lake. There's my goggles. They're wearing the goggles from the Lost and Found box. And they got the pool toys. They're sitting there playing with the pool toys in the lake. Good golly. Oh yeah. You know, and whatever they're building, it's not even straight. It's like a wall on a tilt. A very unsafe leaning wall. That doesn't look good. Ugh. Oh yeah, that's just gross. And there's my bathroom plunger. One of the investigators is talking into it like it's some kind of communication device. Ugh. Doesn't he know where that's been? Ugh.